Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an anti-aging drink that would actually help you to fight aging, and you're literally not gonna be looking, guys, like if you try this you're gonna be seeing the improvements. You're gonna see how this is going to work on your skin really well, and it's going to glow you from the inside out. Okay, so without wasting any more of your time, let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and now let us go. Alright guys, so this is an amazing remedy that would actually help you to look young, fight aging, and fight sickness. Literally, you're going to be looking way younger than your age, and this is actually going to help you to glow. Yeah, so the very first ingredients we're going to be needing for this will be pear. All right, now this actually contains a whole lot of ingredients that helps you fight aging and make you look super young. Now when you combine it just the way I'm going to be showing you, plus all of the ingredients that we're going to be needing for this particular drink, guys, you're going to be seeing the improvement, and that is actually going to be so super duper amazing. So what we're going to be doing now is that we're going to be removing the seed. It has just about 1 or 2 seeds in here. I think 2, yeah, 2 or 3 thereabouts at the middle. So removing the seed, I'm going to be cutting into pieces. After that is done, I'm going to transfer that into the blender. Keep that aside. And the very next ingredients we're going to be needing here is this, and this is garden egg. This is one great ingredient that when you're always taking this, like one vegetable, now when you're always taking this vegetable, like this is actually going to help you to fight disease. It's going to help you to look young, and it's going to help you to maintain an even glow skin, and you're literally not going to be looking old. Okay, so what we'll do now is that we're going to be removing and cutting the vegetable. This is garden egg. Okay, I'm actually repeating the name again. Right, so after that, then we'll have to be putting this inside a blender, put in a little water to enable us blend it, and then we blend. Okay guys, so this is it. It looks so good. Like, this vegetable is actually very good. Yeah, it will help you to stay young. And now we're actually going to be sieving it out. There are lots of fiber in this. Now if you're actually taking this as your breakfast, there are lots of fiber, so it's just going to fill you up and make you stay away from eating all of those junk food and too much of carbohydrates. Now for those people who don't want to, you know, bother about all of the fiber, this is great. Okay guys, so that's it, and this is how it looks like. Now the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be this, and this is cucumber. Now cucumber is a great ingredient that helps you to glow from within. It helps you to glow inside out, and it keeps you hydrated because of the so many juice in it, and it keeps you full because of the fiber in it. That's if you're going to be taking the fiber. And it keeps you young, both externally and internally. Okay, so cucumber is one ingredient that you can actually use on your skin and in your body. Okay, so I'm gonna be washing it. And then we're gonna be cutting it. Right guys, so I'm gonna pack it and put it inside the blender. And this is it. So the very next ingredient which we need so badly is apple. Yeah, apple is an amazing ingredient that even if you are aged, you can actually take apple to, you know, look young. You can take apple as your breakfast, and it goes a whole long way to fill you up and keep you fit and strong, and equally keeps you looking younger. It helps to fight disease, you know, combining it with this other fruit. Guys, this is amazing. Have you actually combined this together? Go give this a go, and trust me, you're going to be loving it. Yeah, so I'm gonna be cutting it this way. And then we're going to be transferring it into the blender. We're going to add just a little bit of water. And now what we're going to do is to blend it. Okay guys, so this is it. This is how it looks like right now, and we're going to be removing, dividing the fiber from the juice, and just like I used to like it, I'm going to be removing the fiber and we're going to be flexing the juice. Okay, so I'm going to be pressing out the fiber. Alright guys, so that is actually set and ready, and I'm going to be transferring that into one cup. Mix it up together, and here we go. So drink this to look forever young, fight aging. Okay, drink this early in the morning and you're going to be looking as young as you were like 20 years ago. Okay, so you drink this every morning, and you can even repeat it in the evening. You know, make it and keep in your jar. All right, and then you flex with it, and it's actually gonna be very helpful, and it's gonna make your skin glow. It's going to actually reverse your age, literally. So go give this a go. I can't wait to try this. I can't wait to drink this, and I am loving this. Okay, so that's it guys, go give this a try. So this is one great blood boosting drink. It actually helps to clean your colon. It makes you look way younger. It glows your skin from the outside, and it literally make you feel light. Okay, so why not go give this drink a go, because I love it so much. All right guys, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.